She's got it. Everything to make your dreams come true. You need it. They stock it. Puppyduck, she's got it.
You won't believe the things we've got on view. Ooh.
Delicious surprises
before your very eyes. A scratch, a smile, a shake, a shine, a shoe.
When you go out shopping, why don't you just pop in? Mopatop's the shop for me and you.
Oh, hello, and welcome to Mopatop Shop. I'm Mopatop, and this is my shop. I've got everything you could ever think or dream of in this shop. Oh, and if there's something you'd like that you can't see, just tell me, and I'll find it for you. How about, a purple wig? Or a juicy fig? Or a giggly pig? Oh, here comes another customer. Excuse me. Hello, welcome to Mopatop Shop. How can I help you?
I'd like some hiccups, please.
Hiccups?
Yes, everyone I know has had the hiccups. My baby brother's had the hiccups. All my friends have had the hiccups. Even my goldfish has had the hiccups. But I have never had the hiccups. And I'd really, really like some, please.
Well, Mr. Monster.
Oh, please, call me Rudy.
Oh, thank you, Rudy. So, Rudy, I have just what you're looking for.
You do?
Yes, I do. I have a very large jar of hiccups right over here. Somewhere.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Goosebumps, sneezes, itches. Ah, hiccups. Here we are. Exactly what you need.
Oh.
Right. Are you ready, Rudy?
Ready?
Here we go.
Oh! 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 Oh, I've got the hiccups. Oh, thank you, Mopatop. I'm going straight home to show all my friends my wonderful hiccups. Bye.
Bye. Another happy customer. Are these the musical instruments we ordered?
Yes! Big, loud noises!
Very nice!
Wait! There's more!
Oh, hello, Rudy. How are the hiccups?
They sound great!
Yes, but these hiccups won't stop. They're driving me crazy.
Oh, have you tried drinking a glass of water?
Oh, yes. And pulling my ears. And biting my tail. And balancing this banana on my nose. But... oh dear, I've got the hiccups. H-I-C-C-U-P. I've got the hiccups. There'll be the of me. There's ways to end the hiccups. There's various things to try. And then, like magic, they just stop. Who knows the reason why? Oh dear, I still got hiccups. I know you're keen to help. One of you could scare me. Perhaps oh yeah. Things are getting desperate. I'll take what you suggest. Oh, I've got the hiccups. There's something I detest.
I think you're right, Rudy. Perhaps what you need is a fright.
Yes, I've heard there's nothing like a good fright to get rid of the hiccups.
Okay, but not a big fright. Just a teeny little one, please.
Oh, how about a hairy, scary fright? This should do it.
Oh, wait.
Yes?
Will this be a very hairy, scary fright? I don't like very hairy, scary things.
Oh, no. Just hairy and scary enough to give you a tiny shock to get rid of your hiccups.
Oh, that'll be fine. Thank you.
Now, are you watching? 1, 2, 3. Boo!
Oh, yes. That did the trick. That definitely did the trick. Oh. Oops.
Oh. How about a loud noise fright?
I guess it's going to have to be even louder than that.
Oh, louder? Oh, I have the perfect thing. Is that loud enough?
What on earth is going on down in Mopatop Shop?
Oh, all these loud noises keep waking up the baby.
Maybe they're having a party.
Why don't I sneak downstairs and find out what's going on?
Good idea, Moosey. But be careful.
Okay.
No, I still have the hiccups.
Excuse me.
Ah! What was that?
What?
Something just tapped my leg.
It was only me.
Who?
Me.
Well, you shouldn't go creeping up on monsters like that. You gave me a terrible fright.
Did I?
Yes, and what's more, Hey, wait a minute. Listen, they've stopped. Yes, my hiccups have gone. Hooray! I used to have the hiccups, but now they're history. And from those tiring hiccups, I'm now completely free. Yippee! Oh, please accept this moldy cheese sandwich in exchange for that wonderful fright. Oh, thank you, and goodbye.
Bye. Another happy customer.
Oh, let's play a song to celebrate.
Oh, there's no more time today, Puppyduck. That was the big clock, so it's time to close the shop.
Oh, mouldy cheese. My favourite. Oh.
Thank you very much for coming, and I hope we see you again soon.
Very, very soon.
Bye! Time to close shop.
You want it, we got it.
Yeah.
Mopatop has got it. You won't believe the things we've got